Okay, let's go. Let's go, CJ. Collect eggs na. Ayan si Agoy mga kaibigan. Mag-collect ng eggs sa mga manok. Come on, CJ. You gonna come? Okay, coming na si CJ. Goy. Ayan.
Where? Where are we going to collect eggs?
Okay. Huh?
Where are collect eggs?
This one. Check this one. Check. Oh. Meron? Oh, wow. Okay, get this one.
I can't. That's for the cheeks.
Yeah, ito. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's close. Ilan ba? 4? Wow, 4 pala mga kaibigan. Oh.
4.
Oh, okay. 4. Now, sara natin. Yeah, there's some egg. Okay, punta natin si ate. Okay, dito na naman. Let's see.
Oh
Wow.
my God, there's a lot.
Where?
Here.
Oh, wow, hala.
One.
Okay.
This is the biggest one.
Yeah, be careful. Come on, CJ. Okay. Let CJ touch the egg. Come on, CJ. Now, you can get the egg. Give CJ the egg and then make it slow. Okay? Come on. Come on.
Hey.
Hali. Oh, come on, come on. Come on, teach him, okay? You can put the basket. Come on, bud. Slowly, okay? Slowly. Okay, put it down. Slowly, CJ. Put it in there. Put the one, CJ.
I cracked it. Uh-oh.
No cracking. Put in there. Put the
It's
best.
a new soft. Right here.
Okay, put in there. Please. Thank you. Okay, perfect. Okay. There's more egg. How many eggs, Goy? Wow, wala, ang daming itlog mga kaibigan. Oh. Wow. Ang daming itlog. Count, Goy.
So many.
Ang dami. Ang dami ng pang-ulam, oh.
Okay.
Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Wow, 16?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Ibalik mo, isarado. Be careful on that one, the basket. Be careful. Okay.
Watch out your hand.
Okay. Are you gonna bring that manok out?
Yeah.
Okay. Lagay mo yan doon. Ayan siya, ako mga kaibigan. Hala. Ang daming
I'll get
itlog.
some berries.
Okay.
I'll get some mulberries.
Ang daming itlog mga kaibigan. Oh, ayan oh.
I ate mulberries.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 pala. Ito talaga si Agoy-Agoy. Libre ng ano natin dito. Libre na ang ulam. Goy? CJ! Come on! Look! Count the egg. Count. 1. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! Yay! Si CJ nag-count. Guguto ate, ikaw ka ng malong berries ka. Pakain sa manok. Muha sila ng berries mga kaibigan. Ayan oh. Ayan, nanguha si Agoy-Agoy. Punta natin si Agoy-Agoy kay nanguha siya ng berries. Ano yung game, CJ? I thought you gonna bihatag mo sa manok. Kinain mo man. Come on, CJ. Sige na. Gusto ba yan nila ng berries? Okay, naghintay na sila. Nag-aabang nga. Dumi lagay sa ano, Goy, sa sahig. You gotta close, be.
He got one.
He got one?
Yeah.
Nice.
He's eating it. He's eating it.
Put in the floor. Dun sa floor ba?
I did. He ate it. Callie ate it.
Kali eat. Nice, Kali.
Callie Callie ate it.
Kali is a nice manok.
Not ostrich.
Right? Kali is the nice manok.
Like Callie, not ostrich. Like Callie. Callie.
Oh, CJ.
Most chicken I ever want.
Bigyan mo si si ostrich.
No, it's so down. I can't give it down. I don't have to be
Naku, si Kali lang binigay. Halaka, lumipad. Alis, lalabas siya, goy.
It's okay.
Mabait yan ang manok na yun. Yun sila lahat, mabait. Mabait silang lahat. Nandun na si ostrich, goy. Oh, si Kali pala to. Hi, Kali. May Kali. Ang bait ng Kali. CJ, come here, buddy. He's eating? She eating? Nice.
It's staying there.
Lumabas na siya, goy.
It's okay. Come on, Debbie. No. Stop. No. Stop.
Kunin niyo yung berries. Sa berries o nasa floor.
It's
Yan.
Hey.
Nangitlog na sila lahat po. Kaya ang dami nilang mga itlog. Nangitlog na silang lahat. Yan yung mga alaga nila. Si CJ dito. CJ, you want manok? Good, kunin mo si sinong manok mo doon? Yeah, kunin mo. Bigyan mo si CJ ng manok, goy. Yeah, meron silang water. Bigyan mo si CJ ng manok. Manok, chicken mo.
Hey.
CJ, look. Say hi. Say hi.
It's okay. I will have it.
Okay, make sure you hold her, okay? Don't drop. You hold.
Okay. It's okay.
Good job. Nice.
You're not coming anywhere.
Umalis.
He's okay.
What's his? Sinong pangalan niya?
Sally?
Sally? Is that Sally?
Yeah, he's my favorite.
Is that Sally? Oh, good girl, Sally. Very good si Sally. Goy, no?
Sally's good.
Yung iba, hindi muna natin ilabas lahat, mga kaibigan. Kasi pag ilabas lahat, mahirapan kaming papasok. So, alternate po kung sino yung ipapalabas. Yung ilalabas na naman mamaya or sa umaga. Hindi po sila sabay kasi ang hirap. Hi, Sally!
Sally's okay. Hers good.
Mahirap kasi silang ipasok eh.
Chase.
Sinong Chase?
Chase? The black one over there.
Nice.
The white and the black. That's
The white and the black, the Chase. Okay, silang nagpapangalan yan. CJ, no, huwag mo na yung pa. CJ! Hi!
come here.
Ito siya mga kaibigan ang
CJ! This is Chase.
CJ, here's Chase!
This is Chase.
Ito ang magkakaroon ng sisiw.
No, Chase. Okay. Hey! Here.
Where's Chase?
Fine.
No Chase?
Okay, no Chase.
No Chase? Oh, look at Chase.
Chase is fine. He's naughty. And he's feathered.
Yeah, nice feather
Hey,
Chase,
Chase.
huh?
And Chase loves these snacks. I hope he's Nope, he ever.
Nice. Give it to Chase, CJ. Ay, na sila. 4 muna. Ang daming itlog nila ngayon. Nangitlog na kasi lahat eh.
Chase loves this.
Kakasimula lang nilang mag-itlog, mga kaibigan.
And Callie loves
Maglinis na naman ako bukas sa bahay nila. I'm gonna clean their house tomorrow.
Yeah. I take
Sa
them
umaga.
out. I'm gonna eat there. They're gonna be full. Mama, is chickens eat sugar? No?
I don't think so. We have to give them natural food. No sugar, no salt. It's not good for their health.
CJ! CJ, I have a new pet ostrich.
Hi, ostrich. Thank you for petting ostrich.
CJ didn't pet ostrich anymore. CJ
Ano yung ginawa niya?
ostrich. CJ.
Hoy! CJ!
Ostrich is sleeping on me.
Oh, she did. Nice. Oh, she's tired. Are you tired, ostrich? Are you tired, buddy?
Don't tell.
Hmm?
Don't. Oh, this was not it. Chase is not asleep. CJ! Look, ostrich.
It's okay, CJ is playing.
Come on, ostrich.
Let ostrich eat the grass, honey. No, 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 no. Not yet, not yet. Do we have to bring them together? Okay?
Good girl.
Let her eat, B.
No, her has to sleep.
Let her eat the grass.
Sleepy.
No, he's not. She's not sleeping. Let her eat the grass. Look what they do.
Oh.
Ito si CJ, mga kaibigan, ng laro. Hayaan lang niya maglalaro dyan.
Kylie's feathers have a black.
Oh, Kali? Are you sure? No, ostrich has.
No, look. Right there.
Oh, okay. That's we're gonna shower them next time.
What? Oh my God.
We're gonna ligo Sally, okay? Oh,
Ostrich.
ostrich.
Kylie, ostrich, and the older chickens over there. Oh.
All of them. Liguan natin silang lahat.
In our tub?
You wanna put on your tub?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, we put it in Dada's tub.
CJ, no.
Make this spread
CJ.
something. Woo!
Okay, bring them back na. Okay, bring them back. Bait to si Goy, mga kaibigan. Ayan, sinauli na niya ang kanyang alaga.
I put one inside. I put
Thank you, ate.
Sally in. I had to put
Who's next? Who's
Chase.
Chase? How you know that's Chase, honey?
Because I name him. I forget to name him.
Careful.
Chase.
Make sure you hawak yung paa niya. Hawakan mo yung paa ni Chase. Perfect.
It's okay. Mama.
Ganito talaga nakikita. Oop! Lumipad. Open the door! Ganito talaga ako nung pagkabata pa ako. Ako ang tagapakain, tagalagay ng tubig, tagalinis sa aming kulungan ng manok, tagadala ng manok, benta namin ng lola ko, tapos dadalhin namin sa kabilang baryo. Oh, halika na! Isarado mo na yan! Goy, isarado mo na. Isarado, ayan. Sarado ba kay para? Make sure you sarado ha kay CJ, no please.
Ostrich.
CJ, no please.
Oh, he's sleepy.
Ostrich is sleepy. Busog na busog talaga si ostrich. Is that ostrich, Goy, or?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, here's
The
Kali.
small red.
So Kali is more dark, more lighter than ostrich
Yeah. This is
in color. Kaya pala nalaman ni Agoy-Agoy. Hindi pala siya masyadong ano. Come on.
Callie's not sleepy.
Okay, sige. Thank you. Sige, push. Push. Sige. Ay. Ayaw, no. Doon ka. Okay. Tomorrow na naman. Okay, go get the egg, please. Be careful. Be careful, ha? Hinay, ha? Hinay. Hinay. Slowly, because we don't want to break.
This egg is big.
Yeah, put it down. Careful. Kasi nga, nakabasag ka na. Ayan si CJ, oh. Let's go in, CJ. Nagdaro nas Don Julio. Come on, bud. Ta. Mabuti nga, ano lang siya dyan. Naglaro lang siya para masanay sa mga kaibigan. Okay. So, pasok na tayo, tapos na tayong mga itlog. Okay, come on, bud. Okay, mga kaibigan. Ayan po si Agoy. Agoy! Hinay, ha? Hinay. Oops. Okay. Bye-bye.